Good morning, students. Last session we discussed the investment function and also we discussed the types of investment like autonomous investment and induced investment. And today we are going to discuss what are the determinant factors for investment function and the relationship between rate of interest and the investment. Okay, students, next we will move to the class. Now we are going to discuss what are the factors determining or what are the factors reaching the investment. The first determinant is known as rate of interest. Rate of interest play a very important key role in the investment function. So investment function means the relationship between R I is equal to function of R. That is the symbol for investment function. Here this rate of interest play a very important role, because if the rate of interest is high, if the rate of interest is high, the people, they are not ready to invest their money in the business, they are invest their money in the banking sector. And also if the interest rate is high, the people, they are not ready to borrowing money from money lenders, banking sector and other financial institution. When the interest rate is less, that situation only the people ready to invest in their business, to borrow the money from money lenders, banking sector and financial institution. And the next one is the level of uncertainty. Level of uncertainty, we don't know about whether our business is going to profit or whether our business is going to loss. How much profit we land, how much loss we occur. So we don't know about the in future. So the level of uncertainty is also one of the key influencing factor for this investment function. So the level of uncertainty, for example, we don't know about before March month we are facing this struggle, this quarantine for this month, last 3 months. So this is known as uncertainty. If we invest more and more money, crores and crores in your business, if sometimes it will become loss, sometimes it will become success or profit. So this level of uncertainty is also one of the important factors. Okay, and the third one is political environment. So political environment means if the political stability in the particular country, they will make or they will encourage to invest from the people. They are encouraging the investment habit of their people, but political condition is unstable. Okay, every year, every 2 year, every 3 year the government will change. So the people, they are very much afraid to invest money in the business, because the government policy is different from one political party to another political party. This political environment is also one of the very important factor for investment function, especially in India. And the fourth one is rate of growth of population. This growth of population is also one of the very important key factors to determine the investment function. Not only for government side, even private side is also they are investment based on their population growth. For example, next 10 years the government may know or may not know the increase of the population. So every 10 year, every 4 year, every 5 year the population report, the population density will increase. So the government is made the additional investment to provide welfare of the people. So it is also one of the very important factors to determining the investment function, particularly the high populated countries, especially China and India. And the fourth one is stock of capital. Stock of capital means already how much capital we have, like a building, machinery, computer, human resource. So this stock of capital is determining the future investment in the particular business. For example, we have 5 cars. So the businessman, if any need, any emergency, they will move to purchase of new car. Otherwise, they will use their stock. even raw material. So if the industry or any business concern they need raw material in future. That situation only they are invest money to purchase the raw material. Otherwise, they will use the existing raw material in their godown. This stock of capital is also one of the very important key factor for determining the investment function. And sixth one is necessity of new products. For example, the fast moving consumer goods like a shampoo, soap, paste, brush. These are the products the newly introduced day by day. So if you want to meet the competitors in the market, you will invest money to innovate the new products, the need of new product. For example, in the current situation COVID-19, so it will induce to purchase of produce of new medicine, new vaccine, new mask, new dress to the doctors, the protection dress to the doctors. So it will the government sector, not only the government sector, even private sector is also they are invest more money to innovative the new products. It is also new product is also one of the very important factors, not only the government sector, even private sector also. And the next one is the level of income of the investor. The investor income is one of the another important factor for investment. Okay, for example, S is equal to Y minus C. Saving is equal to income minus consumption. This saving is further converted into investment. So I is equal to Y minus C. Another one formula. Okay, here the level of income of investor is also one of the important factor for determining the investment function. The income is high, the investor they reduce their consumption expenditure and they will increase the savings, and that saving will move to the investment side. It will help to the investor. If the income is very low, they are not ready to invest even single paise to their industry. And the next eighth point is invention and innovation. So any product, any business organization, they will run a one separate department. That is R&D department, research and development department. Not only the defense side, even shampoo, soap, paste, brush, they will introduce the new product. They will make a new innovation. They will add a new flavor for tea, coffee, soap, shampoo, etc. So they will make a new innovation and invention. It will lead to invest more money in the business. That is, it is also one of the very important factor to determining the investment function, and it will help to meet the competition in the market, survival in the market in the particular industry. And the next one is consumer demand. It is very important concept, consumer demand. So what consumer they need from the investor? They will need home appliances, sophisticated home appliances, or priceless product. So according to the consumer demand or based on the consumer demand, the investor they will invest money. For example, in the automobile industry, the consumer they need more comfort car, more luxurious car. For example, Audi, BMW, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce. These are the cars they will add a new comfort day by day, year by year, month by month. So because it is a consumer need, consumer demand. Okay, it is very important factor to determine the consumption function, investment function. Without consumption, we cannot be able to produce. Without consumption, no use for produce product in the market. Okay, so only the consumer demands, consumer needs will determine your investment. And the next one is policy of the state. Policy of the state means policy, economic policy of the country. What policy they will follow? For example, they will follow the laissez-faire policy or capitalist or mixed economy or communist country. This government policy is also one of the key factor for investment. For example, if the government introduced a new tax system in 2012, that is GST. Okay, this GST will affect more number of industries. So the government, any policy taken by the country, it will affect the investment. If the policy is differ, the investors is not ready to invest money because they will forced to pay the high rate of interest to the government, like income tax, sales tax, and other corporate tax, like that. So this government policy is also one of the very important factor for determining the investment function. And the next one is availability of capital. Here availability of capital means availability of financial resources, availability of human resources, availability of natural resources, and availability of machinery, availability of building. It is also very important factor for determining the investment, because if the industry, if the person or if the industry want to start new branch, but no buildings facility is available in particular area, no transport facility is not available in the particular area, so they will invest more money for constructing new building, to purchase the new raw material, to purchase the new vehicle. It is also one of the factor for determining the investment function. Last point, liquid assets of the investor. So liquid asset means immediately the asset will transfer in terms of money immediately. For example, gold, share, bond, liquid debentures. These are the assets we immediately transfer in the form of money. So this liquid asset is also one of the very important factor for determining the investment. For example, if the person want to start the new industry but no money, how can he will start? So if he have more gold, share, bond, debentures, so they will easily transfer in terms of money and they will start the new business. Okay, these are the factors, are very important factors to determining, to influencing investment function. According to the J.M. Keynes, he point out investment depends upon the marginal efficiency of capital. MEC, marginal efficiency of capital. So we will discuss one by one. The private investment is an increase in the capital stock, such as buying a factory or machine. So the private investor, they will increase the capital stock like a machinery, building, like a transport, like a car or transport equipments. They will increase the capital stock to use this marginal efficiency of capital. And the next one is the marginal efficiency of capital states that the return of investment project. The marginal efficiency of capital is equal to return for earlier capital or earlier investment. ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம பணத்தை இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் பண்ணி பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது மூலியமாக நம்மளுக்கு எவ்வளவு ரிட்டர்ன், எவ்வளவு ப்ராஃபிட் கிடச்சிருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி சொல்கிறது பேர் தான் மார்ஜினல் எஃபிஷியன்சி ஆஃப் கேபிட்டல். Students, next class we will going to discuss the relations between rate of interest and investment and marginal efficiency of capital, and what are the factors determining marginal efficiency of capital, and next we will move to the marginal efficiency of investment. So next class, very important class and also very interesting class. And thanks for those who are asking the doubts from the in the Google Meet application. So you will raise the more question. It will very helpful to clarify your doubts. Not only for yourself, even all the students, they will listen to your doubts and I will clarify. So tomorrow evening also we will meet once again and we will discuss regarding the subject, and you will ask more questions, students. I am eagerly waiting for your questions. So please throw the question and I am waiting for ready to catch your question and reply the answer for your question. Thanking you. Signing off.